How to change follow button to add friend button on your Facebook profile. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can change the follow button to add friend button on Facebook profile. For that, you have to follow this various steps. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook and log into your account. And after that, you have to navigate to your profile by clicking on your name or profile picture. And here you have to go to your setting, which is represented by the hamburger option or three dot option, which is next to the edit profile button. You can see that. Also, you can go for your edit profile here. So once you are here, you have to select the setting and privacy, then go for the setting here. Just navigate here, scroll down and go for your setting and privacy and click on the setting. Once you have clicked on the setting, you have to go for the privacy setting here. So once you are on your privacy setting, you have to go for the how people can find you and contact you section. So here you can see that there is various options. You have to go and tap on that. Once you have tap on that, just go for the continue option, and who can send you a friend request, you have to set this to everyone. So after setting it to the everyone, you have to just go for the next option and again click on the next option, and you have to save the changes. So this is the process how you can easily change the follow button to add friend button on your Facebook profile. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.